Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Taxi Boss. Selling your vehicles is a fantastic way to manage your garage and earn extra cash. We will cover the simple, step-by-step process to turn your unwanted cars into valuable in-game currency. This method helps you optimize your fleet, allowing you to progress faster and acquire better vehicles for your taxi business. It's a crucial part of smart gameplay. First, you need to find the main car dealership, which is a key location on your map. Once you arrive, look for the specific desk marked for buying and selling cars. It will have a clear red circle around it. For convenience, you can also use the game's teleport feature to instantly arrive directly in front of the dealership, saving you travel time. To complete a sale, simply drive your chosen car to the dealership and approach the designated desk. A prompt will then appear, allowing you to select which vehicle you wish to sell from your garage. Confirm your choice, and you will instantly receive 75% of that car's original purchase price directly into your bank. Keep in mind, some limited or exclusive cars cannot be sold. Selling your cars offers several significant advantages. It effectively frees up valuable garage space, making room for new, more powerful vehicles. Additionally, it provides a substantial cash injection, which is perfect for purchasing upgrades or acquiring other essential items. This strategic approach helps you efficiently manage your entire taxi fleet, ensuring you always have the best cars for maximizing your in-game profits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.